How to enable option trading on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable option trading on Robinhood. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Robinhood application. Once you do so, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once on your profile, what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon or the menu icon that you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it here, you can see there are only three options on my case here: security and privacy, the settings, and the Robinhood support. However, here you will be able to get the option that says investing as well. Here you will get the option that says investing as well. Now in my case, my account isn't activated, it's not very vast, so it's not giving me the option, but you'll get the option investing, and there you want to tap on it. And once you do so, once you tap on it, down below you'll find the option, the trading options. It'll be disabled by default. You'll get the option enable option trading. There will be the option, you want to simply tap on it and you'll be able to enable it after a couple of steps. So this way you can enable option trading on Robinhood. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.